Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week for our craft, we are going to make our friend from the story that we read this week, Put Me in the Zoo. And I thought it'd be fun if we did a Dr. Seuss book this week because Dr. Seuss's birthday is March 2nd, in case you did not know. So this is our craft, and I'm going to show you how I made it. Okay, so in your bag for this week's craft, you'll have your yellow plate, a bunch of your pom-poms, and of course your googly eyes for our little creature from our story. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the eyeballs on, so the little googly eyes. Now for the sake of the video, so nothing falls off when I show you how the steps are, I will hot glue gun my stuff onto my plate. So what I'm gonna do is take my googly eye. So at home you could use a glue stick or you could use a liquid glue to put some glue on the back of your eye and then put it on your plate. That way your eyeball will look a little bit like this. Now you guys are gonna have a little bit bigger eyeballs than what I have. Mine are small. I wanted to make sure you guys got the good eyeballs. You're gonna make sure you put your other eye on like so. And then we're gonna put the big black pom-pom in the center to make the nose. Uh-oh. I don't think I put my googly eyes on correctly. Oops. Make sure you center your eyeballs so they don't look out of place. Ta-da! See how my eyeballs are not quite center? Make sure yours are center. And then you put your nose in, and then the fun part. So with all the different other colors, like we learned about in our book, Put Me in the Zoo, he changes so many colors. He can do rainbow, blue, orange, green, and then he can put spots on other things. So what you'll do is glue your pom-poms on. And once you have some glue on there, you're gonna start putting your pom-poms all over the face. And you can use a little glue, a lot of glue, just so he is colorful. Because we want him, oops, to be colorful just like he was in the book. And make sure that they're all spaced out. That way you don't miss any places on your little plate. And then, oh, I don't know if you guys missed it, but I just lost a pom-pom. Well, I guess we won't use that one. I guess my yellow pom-pom didn't want to get on my plate. So then, ta-da! This is our little guy from our book that we read about, with him with his beautiful, colorful spots. I hope that you liked this week's craft, and I hope that you click around and see what else you can find.